Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up multiple time zone clocks on Windows. First, navigate to your date and time settings. You can easily find this by right-clicking the clock on your taskbar and selecting Adjust Date and Time, or by searching for Date and Time settings in the Start menu. Once there, scroll down and click on Additional Clocks. Then, check the box that says Show Additional Clocks to begin adding your desired time zones. Now let's configure your first additional clock. From the drop-down menu, choose the specific time zone you wish to display. For example, you might select Eastern Time, US and Canada, or London. Next, type a descriptive name for this clock, such as New York office or London branch, into the designated field. This name will help you easily identify the clock later. Finally, click OK or Apply to save these changes. You can add a second additional time zone by repeating the same process. Simply check the second Show Additional Clocks box. Then, select another distinct time zone from the drop-down list, perhaps Pacific Time, US and Canada, or Tokyo. Be sure to give this second clock a unique and descriptive name, like Los Angeles office or Tokyo headquarters, to avoid confusion. This allows you to track up to 2 extra time zones simultaneously. Once you have configured your additional clocks, viewing them is straightforward. Simply hover your mouse cursor over the clock displayed on your taskbar. A small pop-up will appear, showing your local time along with the times for your 2 newly added time zones. For a more detailed view, click on the taskbar clock. This will open the full calendar and clock interface, where all 3 clocks are clearly displayed side by side for easy reference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.